Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going over a few modifications that I made to the car that you can already see. We put on a carbon fiber rear diffuser on the car, which to me makes the car look a lot more aggressive. It gives the car a more aggressive look. Of course, this isn't made for the car, but I modified it so it'll fit, and to me it came out looking pretty good. I'll leave the link in the description below so you guys know where to get this from. Now I'll tell you how to do the modifications yourself. It's pretty easy, straightforward. It's nothing too crazy. And as we walk around the front, I'll also added a front lip to the car, which is carbon fiber as well. Full carbon fiber look. It's not real carbon fiber, but I mainly did the front so I could kind of get an idea what a front lip will look like on this car. Not sure I'm going to keep this one, but for now I have this one added to the car. This one was a little more labor intensive putting on, but for the most part I think it looks good. You guys let me know what you think. So yeah, so we got the front lip, rear diffuser. Thinking about going with some side skirts on the car, but yeah, sorry for low energy. It's early in the morning. It's beautiful out today. Hope you guys enjoyed your Easter last weekend. I redid the carbon fiber on the mirrors. Looks way better than what it did before. I mean, it's still not perfect, but you know, I'm still working at it, trying to get better at wrapping. Like I said, I plan on doing the whole car. Let's do a quick walk around. As you can see, we have the mirrors. They look a lot better than what they did before, so I'm happy with this right now. But like I said, it's going to take some practice to get better at it, learning how to wrap, going through the whole process. But yeah, this is just a quick video, give you guys an update. We got the gas cap wrap, of course we got the wing on, and the carbon fiber rear diffuser, which I think looks pretty good. I'm not sure if this camera is really catching it, but it looks really good. The rear diffuser actually came off of a C-Class, but it actually fits on this car pretty good, I must say. It almost looked like it was made for the car. But basically, when you get this rear diffuser in, there are tabs on the back. And that's the only modification I did, was I had to cut the tabs off the back, and it pretty much fit flush up against it. So I just took a couple of self-tapping screws and screwed them in. As you can see, you can see some of the bolts, the screws still up under there. And for the ones up top, so you can't see them so well, I just put some carbon fiber wrap over the self-tapping screws. But that's pretty much it. So I added some carbon fiber pieces to the car, or carbon fiber look, as you can say. But I think it makes the car stand out, looks pretty good. So I like it. But let's go ahead and jump in the car, take it for a cruise, do some more talking. All right, so yeah, like I said, I got the front splitter. I do need to make some adjustments to it to get it right, but it's on there for now. And like I said, I redid the chrome, not the chrome, but the carbon mirrors. And I also got the rear splitter in, the rear diffuser. So yeah, like I said, the rear, you just cut the tabs off and it pretty much mounts flush to your rear bumper. So you just cut the tabs off flush against the rear diffuser. And what I did, I put tape and centered it up with the middle pin. I centered it with the middle of the Mercedes symbol to get it as center as possible. So, and then after that, I just put the bolts on, got it on there, and that's that. That's pretty much it. I mean, the rear was pretty much straightforward. It was the front that was a little challenging. So what I did for the front, I put the car on ramps, and I got 4 jack stands, and I used the jack stands to lift the front splitter up into position. So this way I could kind of mock it up before I actually put the bolts in. And then I set it up that way. So that's pretty much how I did that. But I use a couple of self-tapping screws on the front, but for the most part, on the main anchor points, I put about 1-inch bolts with washers and nuts. I used on that on the front. So yeah, that held it pretty good because I didn't really trust the self-tapping screws for the front, just in case I did bottom out or I hit something in the front. It wouldn't just completely tear off, or it'd have something to hold on to. So I pretty much have 4 bolts with washers and nuts holding the front on pretty much the main anchor points. And when you put it up under there, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's basically like on the corners. And what I did on this corner, let me see if I can get an angle shot. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I put a bracket to hold it on the corner. Hopefully you was able to see that, but I put a bracket on each corner to hold it because it was just kind of flopping on the corners. So that's one thing I did do for the front. I put brackets on the corners, and pretty much on the corners I got the bolts. Here I got bolts, and probably about right here I got more bolts. And this way I can hold them down and be able to keep it secure. And for the other points of contact on the front splitter, I put self-tapping screws just to, you know, finish it up. But I do have these rubber wedges that I need to go ahead and put on. So this way the front splitter will sit pretty much level. Because right now it's kind of pointed up, as you can see. But I really don't mind it because this way it helps me when I'm getting out of driveways and parking lots that have dips. I don't have to worry about it hitting head on. So, I mean, it's kind of good that it's like that, but then again, I want it to be kind of straight. So, you can barely tell though. But that's what the rubber wedges are for. They go in, and I'll do a little video, show you how I did that. But for the most part, that's it. I mean, like I said, I think she looks good with the front splitter and the rear diffuser. Give a little carbon look with the mirrors. I am thinking about doing the side skirts, so stay tuned for that. I'll let y'all know if I do it or not. It will be in the video. and I will show you guys how I do that. A little more detailed than what I did with the front splitter and the rear diffuser. But yeah, she's dirty right now. I need to go wash her. But for the most part, she looked good with that front splitter on, in my opinion. And the rear diffuser definitely sets the car off. I was really surprised at how this rear diffuser fit this car. Like, I thought, to be honest with you, I thought I was gonna have to cut it, chop it up, make it fit. But I mean, for the most part, it pretty much fit. Really didn't have to do anything. So I was surprised on that. But that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Definitely trying to get the views and this channel up. But until next time, guys, y'all stay safe, and I'm out.